Nvidia shares, I actually want to start with them because they're down today after the information, down almost to 6.5% after the information reported Meta is considering renting Google's tensor processing units TPU from Google Cloud next year and could actually spend billions of dollars more to start using those same chips in their own data centers starting in 2027. That means breaking Nvidia's stronghold on the data center chip market while you're seeing Nvidia's sell off. And this also follows last week's Gemini 3 enthusiasm, which investors are calling the industry's latest, quote, DeepSeek moment since the large language model was trained solely on Google chips and not Nvidia. The fallout is hitting other Nvidia customers too. Oracle is down, we could say sharply today, almost 5%. They've bought billions of dollars of Nvidia chips to rent out via the cloud. But if competitors build AI clouds with cheaper TPUs, those Google chips instead, Oracle can really just get undercut on price. So this is all about competition and offering the cheapest option. On the flip side, Google's hardware suppliers are climbing higher and have been climbing higher just over the last little few days. Broadcom, granted, it's flat to the negative right now, but it's been, 10% higher in the week. It partners with Google on those said TPU chips, and it's been up and down. Jim Cramer points out earlier that Broadcom CEO Hawk Ten sits on Meta's board, so Hawk Ten could help influence Meta's board to pick Google chips designed by Broadcom. It's all connected. Google hardware suppliers like Celestica and Lumentum are also climbing as investors rotate into Google names and away from OpenAI. Suppliers like Microsoft, for example, on your screen, down about 5% on the week. The real concern, though, for OpenAI is it's getting harder to distinguish which models perform better, Gemini or ChatGPT. If they become commodities, which many argue is going to be the case, the one with cheaper cost wins. And that's exactly what Google's offering does with its own TPUs, I should say.